Hi there, welcome. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Daniel Patterson and this is everything that's going on in your neighbourhood for the month of June. Well, we're midway through the year and the market also seems to still be gaining a lot of momentum post-COVID and the lockdown period. What we've seen in our marketplace is a number of properties still come on the market and trade fairly quickly. Let's just drill down, have a look at the numbers and see how your marketplace performed over the past month. So first of all, I'm going to have a look at Drummoyne. Drummoyne had a slightly lower month in terms of number of sales, but there were some outstanding results within that. There was an apartment which was in block number 96 St George's Crescent, which just recently traded and for a record for an apartment sale in Drummoyne historically. What that essentially says is that the top end of the marketplace is still performing quite well and there's a strong buyer appetite for people to still buy luxury real estate, even though we're still clawing ourselves out of this current pandemic. Now let's have a look at 2046. Now 2046 had a phenomenal month. That is a bigger marketplace, so we did obviously attract a number of more sales, 22 in fact. However, what we also saw is a number of properties that were on the market for around about sort of 60 days or even that 90-day range actually traded in the month of June. What that tells us is obviously the properties or the stock levels were quite low, the buyer pool was still quite high or the appetite to buy in that area was still quite strong. So a lot of those properties that essentially were sort of stale in the marketplace seem to be picked up by opportunistic buyers. Now, what does all of this mean for us in July? Well, what we do believe is that the stock levels for both areas are probably still going to be quite low. But what we would still experience is a very strong depth of buyers out there looking to actually secure real estate in the area. So if you are a seller and you're thinking about going on the market possibly in spring, well, maybe July and August could be the time to go on because you'll probably have a little bit less competition, but we're still dealing with a very similar number of buyers out there in the market. Thanks very much for tuning in. Bye for now and I look forward to catching up with you next month.